This video is going to discuss the point-slope form of a linear equation. So there are three skills involved with the equation in Algebra 1, and here is the equation. If you're given an ordered pair and a slope, one skill is to just simply take this information and arrange it in the formula. So the x, y that you're given, replace the sub 1 spots. So just to set one up. And we've talked about this in class a little bit, so you're already familiar with this skill. And then you would simply stop. The second skill, if you're given the equation, you identify the parts. So here the slope is 3, and the ordered pair used is positive 4, positive 8. In the next example, the slope is 2/3, and the ordered pair given was positive 17, negative 3. When it's an addition, that means you input y minus negative 3, but the double negatives make that a positive. The focus of this video, however, is the skill of taking point slope and transforming it into slope intercept form. So here, I'm going to take this and I'm going to transform it into slope intercept form. So this is already set up for me. My first step, I'm going to distribute 1/4. 12 times 1/4 is 3. And then in the next step, I'm going to isolate y by adding 9 to both sides. So here I have 1/4 x plus 12. And that's my final step. The convenience in this method is that the equation emerges at the end and you don't have to rewrite anything or recopy anything. Let's do the next example. So the next example, I would just distribute 1/2. And 1/2 times negative 10 is negative 5. I would add 9 to both sides. And my final answer, y equals 1/2 x plus 4. That's my final answer, my final result. Notice that b emerges, b is 4, and the slope is 1/2. Let's do the next example. So in the next example, instead of the equation being preset for you, you're given a point and a slope. So you need to know how to set this up yourself. The ordered pair you're given, the x and the y go in the subscript spots, so I'm going to set this up first. And I'm going to go ahead and rewrite this step as y plus 5. And now I'm going to take this form and I'm going to transform it into y equals mx plus b. So the first thing I'm going to do is distribute 1/3 inside the parentheses. So that gives me 1/3 x plus 2. And then in my next step, I'm going to isolate y. I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides. And that's my final result. b is negative 3, and m is 1/3. Let's do one on the other side. We'll do one more on the video. I'll do one with a negative input right here. I'll do the second one. So here, this is my x sub 1, y sub 1. So to set my formula up originally, I'm going to have y plus 10 because of that double negative. And that's going to be 1/2 times x minus 2. I'm going to distribute 1/2. And let's see, negative 2 times 1/2 is negative 1. I'm now going to subtract 10 from both sides. And my final equation looks like this. Y equals 1/2 x minus 11. My y-intercept here is 11. B is 11, and the slope is 1/2.